Wait, what's happening to Carantes Street? Well, we investigated and we like what we found. Where is Carantes Street? Yeah, if you're from Baguio, it's a familiar sounding name, but it might take some time to register where it is. Well, it's right here in the middle of the city, located between the famous Session Road and Harrison Road. It's what I call a twin street. You know, it's between Session and Harrison. Being born and raised in Baguio, I have probably walked thousands of times in Session Road and Harrison Road, but I could count in my hand how many times I've walked down Carantes Street. It's an ignored street. It's because Session has all the main shops and it's where traditionally all people walk. And Harrison is a little bit wider. It's where Chongsan is, and it's less obstructive and a quicker way to get to the other side of the town if that's where you want to go. Carantes Street has been traditionally a street that's used to load passenger jeeps. So if you're not taking a jeep to, where's that destination, Puli West, well, you don't take Carantes Street. In the last couple years, it's attracted more lookers since there are some amazing murals painted on its walls, done by Baguio art collectives. But that's not what we are talking about today. I want to talk about Carantes Street because it is dug up and it's looking like it's getting a makeover. Sometime in August, a project was started to renovate it, which totally changes its look and feel. So we investigated. Let's look at the before and after. It's an 8-meter wide road. It has a small sidewalk with cracks and old drainage holes. It's mostly the back of stores with a few small stands. Now, let's look at the plan. And it's pretty exciting what they're doing to Carantes Street. From what we see in the published design shared on Facebook by the city, it will be a shared street between vehicles and pedestrians. It will be split in two. One side for pedestrians, the other side will be for vehicles, and it looks like it will be one-way vehicular traffic. They mention use of tactile blocks, which we think will be there to slow down vehicles. You know, like cobblestones in European streets. The drainage holes will be replaced by grills lining the side of the street and some use of bio-retention technology to use the water for plants and trees. Solar technology will also be used on the lampposts and studs and on powered bollards, probably to close the street to vehicular traffic for events. Boxed chairs for people to rest will line the street. Additionally, a wheelchair ramp will be installed at the side of the Chongsan Bazaar to enable persons with disabilities access to the street. It looks like the murals will be retained, which I think is good news for art lovers. The renovation plan includes beautification of Perfecto Street as well. That's the corner that fronts the Maharlika Livelihood Center. The street will be crooked in order to discourage speeders. We also see a grandfather clock as a centerpiece, and it looks pretty. What do you think? No mention of fixing the jungle spaghetti of wires that are above the street, but I guess that is asking too much for now. Let's just hope this plan comes to fruition and soon. Well, that answers what's happening to Carantes Street. And we've seen plans of improving Session Road as well, which we'll be investigating next. This Carantes Street improvement is actually a peek into the future of the city and how the planners are envisioning the look of Baguio. And we like what we see so far. Let us know how you feel about it in the comments below. The Baguio channel serves the interests of Baguio residents and visitors alike. If you like our content, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and strike that notification bell. Thank you.